Hello viewers, on today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the engine air filter on this 2022 Acura MDX. That specific Acura have the 3.5 liter engine. The engine air filter is located on top of the engine right there under the Acura logo. So we're going to remove this cover. It is held by 3 8mm. Let's go. Okay, now we're going to pick up on the cover here and pull it forward. Here is the engine air filter. Let's pick it up. Woohoo! That's the new filter. That's the old one. Alright, start the new filter in. Good. And we're going to put our cover back in. We're going to slide it here and make sure it goes to that bolt back there and put the bolt in. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.